Well, it is now 5 days later. All the rains have let up, etc., etc. Went out of town, just got back. My intention was to finish hanging this tube in here, and my train of thought was I could put shelves up here, put shelving brackets, and put a shelf up higher to put other stuff on while plants have this to grow. As you can see, this is really moist. Well, looks moist because no roof. The plastic tarp on the top went bye-bye, and now water just comes in. And I got to go around and put pest herbicide between all these cracks to keep grass and weeds out. That was but instead I'm going to give these plants some love. With all that rain we've had, the okra are now looking weary, like they're not getting water. I don't understand. So I'm going to do some weeding. I've already started over there, some weeding and digging up around the roots, give them some bone meal. Pick what okras are weighing them down and go from there. The watermelon I transplanted seems to be catching themselves. This one I don't think is going to make it, so I'm just going to rip that out. And corn, although they are coming up slowly, I think I need to change the watering times and do it twice a day instead of one, for them to actually get good water, because this 1/4-inch hose is not doing them justice. Weed and feed, and see what else I can get done. Well, bad news and good news. I've had to turn a lot of them down, and when I say turn down, I mean just bend them down. What that does is kill the nutrients to them, and they start drying up. I'm going to show you an example of one here. That's an example. So you turn them down, I mean, you just grab it and bend it down, kills the nutrients to it, and it starts drying out. I said bad news, but in reality, good news for everyone. Actually, now for next season, anybody wanting seeds, I'll have a lot. Just shoot me an email or DM on Instagram and send that address, and I'll send you some okra seeds. Hopefully you won't be in the predicament I am, because I've waited too long to pick these. A lot of them are old, as you can see. Still have this tree to finish cutting from, and the 3 at the bottom, they're going to get turned down. Can only grab the 2 from the top, so they're too hard. That'll be that. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna go check on the sugarcane and watermelons and stuff back there. Because, as always, look at the sky. Never fails. Never fails. If it's one thing you can be sure of on this channel, is during the spring, summer months, it's gonna rain, and you get a lot of hyperlapse. 2 things you can be sure of. I say that because it's starting to rain. I just got back. Trying to do some work, catch up, because I couldn't do that for 5 days. It's raining. But the watermelon are doing good so far. Got another one popping out there. And this one, as I suspected, was gonna dry up. So I'll just take this bag and use it for the new one. Ooh, 4 big stalks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me go drop the bone meal before it actually rains. That way they can get some food. Oh yeah. Glad I remembered. Everybody got some bone meal. The bag is done. I think I'm gonna pick me up another 2 bags. I'm hit them one more time before winter comes in. But I'm going to go in mulch around fruit trees. Help retain moisture. So, get that done. And then head inside. That way the sun won't suck the moisture out. Yeah. See how far I get. The bone meal is onto the mulch, but once it rains, the water goes down there. Even when they get water tomorrow, it'll help retain whatever's in there. See these shoot one big one before the winter comes. Oh, and good news. Voila. The tree is only about 3 feet tall, not so much, but she's producing. So I'm happy about that. These potatoes, I don't know what's going on with these. These are going crazy. They're growing real wild, but not these. Anyway, everybody got some bone meal. Now, for it to rain and soak it into the soil. Even this watermelon tree that I plan on yanking, I want to see what happens. The ones that transplanted, they're catching themselves. I need to hurry up and put the carrots and beets in that bed. Oh, Afri, I'm sorry. Let me go get a bag, put some on this right now. But I'm gonna call this a video. Appreciate y'all watching, as always. Thank you so much. Love you guys. And as always, leave a comment, drop a thumbs up, drop a suggestion. Let me know what's going on. And see you back in the next video. Love y'all.